We just finished with a 4-level lumbar decompression infusion, L2, L3, L4, L5S1. Actually, it was a revision. His cage had come out at L4-5. We put a new cage in and redid the instrumentation and went from 5 to S1. So all the instrumentation is L2 to S1. Got out of the OR about 2-3 hours ago.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling wonderful. I'm
All right.
really a little pain, but I'm completely different.
All right, good. And I know you're a little woozy, so we're gonna go home and rest.
Yes.
You're not in the hospital, are you?
Nope.
Where are you?
I'm in your center.
Surgery Center Vieira,
Right.
and it's September 21, 2016. And he's going to be going home, basically to a hotel tonight, and then
Yeah.
home tomorrow.
Right.
All right.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. 4-level fusion just 3 hours ago.